Varalakshmi Sharat Kumar hits and flops all movies list up to Madagaja Raja. Number 1 Poda Podi released in 2012 flop. Number 2 Manikya released in 2014 blockbuster. Number 3 Kasaba released in 2016 average. Number 4 Tarai Tappatai released in 2016 hit. Number 5 Vikram Veda released in 2017 super hit. Number 6 Nimbunan released in 2017 super hit. Number 7 Satya released in 2017 hit. Number 8 Card 2 released in 2017 hit. Number 9 Masterpiece released in 2017 blockbuster. Number 10 Mr. Chandramouli released in 2018 hit. Number 11 Hecharikai released in 2018 hit. Number 12 Pandem Kodi 2 released in 2018 super hit. Number 13 Sarkar released in 2018 super hit. Number 14 Mari 2 released in 2018 average. Number 15 Nia 2 released in 2019 flop. Number 16 Tenali Ramakrishna BABL released in 2019 average. Number 17 Velvet Nagaram released in 2020 average. Number 18 Danny released in 2020 average. Number 19 Kanni Rasi released in 2020 flop. Number 20 Crack released in 2021 blockbuster. Number 21 Nandi released in 2021 blockbuster. Number 22 Ranam released in 2021 average. Number 23 Chasing released in 2021 flop. Number 24 Singaparvai released in 2021 flop. Number 25 Pakka Commercial released in 2022 average. Number 26 Iravin Nijal released in 2022 super hit. Number 27 Poyikal Kuthirai released in 2022 hit. Number 28 Katteri released in 2022 flop. Number 29 Yashoda released in 2022 hit. Number 30 V3 released in 2023 hit. Number 31 Veerasimha Reddy released in 2023 blockbuster. Number 32 Michael released in 2023 average. Number 33 Kannithivu released in 2023 flop. Number 34 Kondral Pavam released in 2023 hit. Number 35 Agent released in 2023 flop. Number 36 Maruti Nagar Police Station released in 2023 average. Number 37 Kota Bommali IPS released in 2023 super hit. Number 38 Hanuman released in 2024 blockbuster. Number 39 Shabari released in 2024 average. Number 40 Ryan released in 2024 average. Number 41 Mr. Celebrity released in 2024 average. Number 42 Max released in 2024 blockbuster. Number 43 Madagaja Raja released in 2025 ఈ మూవీ రిలీజ్ అయ్యి సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా రన్ అవుతుంది అన్నమాట.